Hi Mammies! Today's video, I will be sharing my festive fruit salad recipe using the Alaska Crema all-purpose cream and Alaska Classic Sweetened Condensed Milk. Alaska products can level up this Christmas dish which have been always a star on the Christmas table. A perfect combination of the milky sweetness of Alaska Classic Sweetened Condensed Milk and yumayakap na creamy sarap of Alaska Creamy All-Purpose Cream. This festive fruit salad recipe is perfect for Noche Buena or any celebration. For sure magugustuhan ito ng buong pamilya. Good news that Alaska has the Handaan Bundle that comes with Alaska products in a Lock&Lock container, perfect to be given out as a Christmas present to your family and friends. You can also visit the Alaska Red Kitchen website and share the Alaga with your family and loved ones with their yummy recipes. Happy eating and Merry Christmas everyone! Thank you for watching!